Working with bison is a very it's a fun experience. They move quickly, and you need to understand where they're going to go. Sometimes you need to get out of the way.
Unlike cattle, you can push them into things. Bison, you can't push them into things. You have to remember they are a wild animal. You're not going to be able to just throw a halter on them and lead them in. And that is a challenge, because if a calf maybe injures itself or is sick, you can't just walk up to it and fix the problem.
They are a fast-paced animal, but they are not an aggressive animal by any means. You know, using common sense, proper handling facilities, and due caution, you will have no problems. You will be safe and successful handling them.
Everything I have is pinned together. It's quite an open concept, and that way I find that the animals can see each other, and I find they actually slow down.
Hey, 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 hey. Hey, 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 hey.
I can climb out of my system at any point. It's all steel. I know it's not going to break, and I can get out wherever. So I tend to move my animals on foot.
Come on, Kevin.
The animals move around the outside of us, and then that way we have less footwork for us. So we actually can cover more space while they're going around the outside. My father and I can quite comfortably process a few hundred animals in a day without much trouble. Know that they're going to get excited. To them, this is life or death. When you're handling them, they don't know that you're just there to put an ear tag in. They know that they're being confined, and it's not their choice. You have a job to do. I know I got to get that ear tag in, do it as effectively, efficient as possible, put the animal back, relieve stress.
Pony of you, please.
I always talk to my bison when I'm out in the pasture, you know, just so that they're familiar with my voice, my movements. When handling bison, before you start, it's good to get all the parties together, walk through the system, you know, plan your exit strategies. If a gate opens, where does a person go? Where should somebody not be? If you find that every time you work animals, you have a problem spot, it's probably not the animal, it's probably your system. Is there a shadow that's affecting you? Is it really windy in that area? Like, those are little factors that tend to stress the bison out. Every system works to a certain degree, and every system has its faults. Having an open mind of what works and if something isn't working, asking the questions, why is this causing a problem? Why are the animals getting so worked up? And planning to change that for next time. And it may be, you know what, it's not working today, let's try tomorrow. There's a wealth of knowledge. It's as simple as picking up the phone, phoning the Bison Producers of Alberta. They'll get you in contact with somebody that can help you out. All of us that are in the bison industry love working with the animals, and the bisons are pretty hands-off, so you don't get a lot of time to work with them, so it's usually not hard to round up a crew that'll gladly help and offer pointers.